Batteries contain frequently rare raw materials. There can be hazards associated with battery usage during transport and shipping. With the current growth of Internet of Things devices, there will be over 100 million battery replacements required per day. From being in the industry, we knew that batteries aren't a sustainable and scalable solution, so we set out to develop an alternative that's solely powered from indoor light sources and doesn't require disposable or rechargeable batteries. With electricity, our technology has the highest efficiency in the world. Our product can produce power from very small amounts of indoor light, such as light found in homes, offices, or many other indoor environments. We spend about 80 to 90% of our time indoors, and that's why it's really important to have sustainable energy solutions for powering devices indoors, such as our Forever Track. With the help of the Sustainable Innovation Fund, we're able to demonstrate our novel battery-free asset trackers in NHS hospitals, retail and logistics. It's important for us to trial the technology in real-world environments, to de-risk the technology under real-world conditions, and to reassure potential future customers about the use of a novel energy harvesting technology. The Sustainable Innovation Fund has helped us to develop a few key strategic relationships, which we're planning to build on for commercial deployment of our device in the next year. With electricity, we hope for our technology to be used in the majority of commercial installations to bring renewable energy into indoor environments at scale.